Is there anything you want people to do to show their support, especially we have two doctors up there, to show their support for the medical community? Is there something that we've seen people clapping when nurses leave?
We've seen a lot of that. You might say something there. I have seen such support. I saw this morning where everyone's they're clapping for fire department, they're clapping for peace, but they are really these people are, you know what they're like? They're like, Tony, they're like warriors, Mike. They're like warriors. They were going into Elmhurst Hospital, which has been tragic, right near where I grew up in Queens, going in, and the people in buildings are going, I mean, they're the rock stars. They're warriors. Nurses, doctors, first responders, what they're going through. And they don't even know what's going to happen. I mean, they go in, and by the way, even if they have great equipment, they're catching it. You know, great equipment. They have good equipment, they catch it. They catch it with good, with bad. It is evil. But Tony, you might say something, and Mike, you may say something about that.
Yeah. The stories are incredibly moving about what healthcare workers are doing every day. It's not just that they're going back into the hospital in places like New York and New Jersey, earlier than that in Washington State and California where this first began. It's not just that they're providing care to people, but because of the nature of how contagious the coronavirus is, they're also supplementing for family. I mean, that's what gets to me. When I hear the stories that, understandably, in nursing homes and in hospitals, they're restricting visitors, then they should, to prevent the spread of the virus to be brought into the hospital or to be brought out. And so to hear the stories of healthcare workers who are holding up an iPhone while someone who's critically ill with the coronavirus may well be saying their last goodbyes to their family, and then to be there in those moments. I mean, our healthcare workers they're not just doctors and nurses today, they're supplementing for family, for people all across the country. And I just think, tomorrow's Palm Sunday. It's Holy Week in the great Christian tradition. And I have people ask me from time to time, send me an email or on the many conference calls that we have, they said, what can we be praying about? And my first thought is with the families who have lost loved ones and the patients who are struggling with coronavirus. But during this very special week, I just encourage people to pray for our healthcare workers. Pray for them and their families. They are really the hands and feet every day, not just of healthcare, but of the heart of the American people. And we are all grateful for them every hour of the day.
Right.